Do you sometimes walk around and suddenly your shoes just intertwine and then you fall over because your laces, they're undone? And then you're like, alright, well, quickly, I get them tied up. So you drop down, you start tying your laces, and then it takes about 30 seconds for you to finally get your shoelaces double knotted so that it doesn't happen again. Today I'm going to show you how to tie your shoes very quickly with double knotting only having to happen after 5 seconds of tying your shoes. Alright, let's get on with the tutorial, shall we? Have the lace go between your pointer and middle finger, and then have the lace recede down your palm. Make sure that your hands are in the shape of a pistol. Move your left hand in that trigger formation underneath and your right hand over in that formation. Now I have the 2 pinches ready, and I'm going to pinch my left hand on the right string and my right hand on the left string. Now I'm going to use my left thumb and my right pointer finger to merge the 2 strings together. And there you have the knot. Now what I'm going to do is show you how to do it very quickly, or at least I'm going to show you what it looks like when you do it very quickly. And there you go. Now I'm going to show you how to double knot it, because double knotting can often be important when you're working. Now I'm going to recede my left finger underneath in that same loop formation as do the right hand, and then I'm going to merge the 2 together. And this is like your regular normal double knot, very hard to untangle, and it can be very annoying to untangle, and it's going to be very annoying to untangle. Gosh, this is going to take forever. And there you go. And that is how to tie your shoelaces in 1 second.